Congratulations. It was a pleasure serving you. Let's go and tour this beautiful property together. Alright everyone, I'm here with a very nice family, guests from Russia. We're going up to the castle. Let's check this out and see how it goes. So this is the view of beautiful Mediterranean Sea.
А мы не видели. Видишь, где он? То есть можно было бы сюда проехать чуть-чуть.
It turns with a better, wider angle of view. So this is how it looked like from the top. It's very calm, very clean, and very relaxing. And as you guys can see, and I told you guys in previous video, this sea is so relaxed. Like you look like you're looking at the photo. It's so calm, almost zero waves, as you can see. It looks like a picture frame. Alright, so we are going to this very old castle. It's one of the landmark of here. And yep, people are camping here. Look at that. It's beautiful. As you guys can see, they're building pretty much everywhere. And I'm so excited to see the Alanya all the way from top of that mountain and that beautiful castle. All I saw was all the photo of it, and now we're gonna actually experience this beautiful castle, which is a landmark here, together. I'm gonna turn around so you can see this beautiful panoramic view. Beautiful, lovely. This is that iconic sign, almost like the Hollywood sign here. I love Alanya. It is actually a lovely city. Hopefully I can get it. Total ride was about less than 5 minutes. Alright, we're already here on the top of Alanya. Man, look at this beautiful view. Whoa. Alright. So, alright, as you guys can see, I'm gonna explain a little bit so you guys can get an idea of what it is. So first of all, I need to take this I love Alanya so I can take a photo of it. Okay, so I'm gonna make it wider so you guys can see. So currently this area is basically central or center of town. Right around that curve and on all the way to probably around that area, all the way from the seashore to the Taurus mountain, that area called Oba, which is right next to central or center of town. After Oba we have Tosmur, and then right, I would say after about that green areas area down, after Tosmur we have Kestel, and then as you can see over there where the buildings are taller, that's where Mahmudlar, I would say the famous Mahmudlar neighborhood is, because pretty much almost all Russians, Ukrainians, Norwegian, a lot of Persians, a lot of people from all over the world. They stayed there. Like it's just so saturated that they don't even give I would say ID card anymore over there, because they want to send people to other side of this beautiful lovely city. So I'm gonna go a little bit back so you guys can enjoy this lovely view. Okay, let me make it even wider. Alright, so this is, as you can see, the entire town is built in between the coast of Mediterranean Sea and Taurus Mountain. I was explaining that in an earlier on video. And in some areas it's only less than a mile area of the actual residential. Right after that, like around that area, it's about a mile, maybe even less than a mile. And then in some areas, as you go and get wider, it might be maximum like maybe not even 3 miles. But there are areas where it's close to a mile, in some cases less than a mile. Like in this tip is less than a mile of distance from where like it's too steep that they're not going to build anymore there, and probably the last house would be all the way to the Mediterranean seashore. So let's go and check this together. All right, as I thought, yes, this is a place that a lot of people come for their photos. It looks like this is a wedding photo people are taking in here, and nothing will be better than this, you know. All right, took a couple of photos of them as well. All right, so let's see how things are in here. I don't know where we're going, but it's somewhere around the castle, on the other side of that that gathering center. So let me see what else we have in here. All right, I want to see where is the highest peak of this place. I don't want to go down, I want to go up. All right, let's go up and check what else is here. Okay, obviously we're going towards the seashore again. And here's another old building. Obviously during this whole 800 years it's been rehabbed many times, I assume, but it's standing very strong right here. All right, as I said, video can do the justice, and as much as I want to explain the feeling in here, it's not gonna be as good as if you guys come here and experience it in person, because it's just such an amazing place, you know. Obviously this thing is continuing all the way there, so this is a humongous place. I don't know if I can finish it before it gets dark. So let me go in here and see if we can have a little view of it from this angle. Okay. Okay. All right. It's just a little hill with the As I said, look at this sea. It's so calm. It looked like a picture frame. Seriously. All right, maybe I should go there so I can get that angle of view. So let me see if I can find a way to get there. All right, see you guys there if I can find it. All right, seems like we almost made it to the top of this castle. On top of here, it seems like there are a lot of restaurants. I just literally made it here. And man, this is the panorama view that you cannot beat. All right, let's move forward and see what's in here. Yeah, this is stuff I got it last time in very similar to Brazilian nuts. All right, then obviously there's more souvenirs and stuff.